Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Katz Create, and I am coming today with a VR response to BBz Kraftz here on YouTube. She is celebrating her 100 subs on Instagram and 200 on Facebook, so she went ahead and combined them both. Okay, so what she's requesting from her subscribers is she's just requesting a memory decks card. She wanted a butterfly or a bow on somewhere on there, so this is where I implemented my bow and my butterfly. I do apologize if you guys have any glare. I packaged it up and I don't want to open it again because it was pretty difficult putting it in here, so there you go. So a lot of the items that I put on here are layered over layers, so there you go. She's also requesting 4 tiny embellishments. Like I said, she wants a butterfly or a bow somewhere on there. She loves butterflies and bows, and so I love butterflies as well. So this is what I've made. I made these beautiful flowers. I will be doing a tutorial on this one later on this week. And I punched the butterfly. I did double layered on the butterfly, and so when she receives it, she might have to open it up because it might go in a little flat. There you go. On the butterfly I put pearl string or string pearls, and in the middle I put a rhinestone, like a flat rhinestone. So hopefully she likes them. Hopefully these are okay. And her challenge ends on May the 6th. So I'm like the last minute procrastinator like always, so these will be going out on Monday. As long as they're postmarked by May the 6th, she is good, or you are good. So if you still want to participate, you still have time, so go over to her channel and subscribe to her channel, and if you want to enter, go ahead and enter. Again, it's for BBz Kraft, and I will put her channel down on the description below so you can subscribe to her channel if you haven't subscribed to her channel. And she is just an awesome crafter. She has a lot of tutorials. I've seen some tutorials, and she does a few swaps with some other ladies, so check her out. Thank you guys for watching the video, and you guys have an awesome day, weekend. We will see you guys next week. Bye.